For me, an ultimate daily driver needs to tick 3 boxes. Number 1, it needs to look good when you're driving it. It needs to stand out. Number 2, it needs to be practical. It needs to serve the purpose that you want the vehicle for and be reliable. And number 3, me and my dog need to look cool when we're cruising around town in it. Meet Quinn, everyone. This is our 1.5-year Show Spaniel, which we've just recently rehomed. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. And to help us stand out, we've got some help from our friends over at Maxton Design, and we've got a front splitter to fit to the front of the Tiguan. Look at the camera. No, he's pretty distracted by something else. Look at the camera. No. He said, make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out other videos on the channel. Yeah, they will.
We are going to need a few tools though. That's going to consist of a drill, impact gun, a socket and some blocks. I haven't realised it yet, but this step is completely pointless. What I'm doing here is removing the T25 torque screws to hold the under tray to the bottom of the car. Now my thinking behind this was so I can get my arm in tight enough spaces to put the nuts on the back of the bolts. But I'm sure you'll all light up the comments section for the way I'm going to fasten this to the bumper. And just like that, the under tray slides straight out. Here it is then, the main event, the new splitter. We've been here once before, but this time it's right because we have the actual correct part for the car, and you can see straight away this looks so much nicer than the one we had previously. If you haven't watched that, head over to the channel and check that out. You'll find something else to light the comment section up about me for that one too. We're just using the wooden blocks here just to get it in a rough position.
So if you watched our previous Maxton splitter design install, you will know that we actually got the wrong one. This is the correct one for the car, so it actually follows the curvature of the front bumper, so it should fit like a dream. Now, I've got a little hack where I'm going to use some double-sided sticky tape, stick it into place first, and then once it's stuck on, we can then drill through the bumper, install the hardware, and this thing isn't going to go anywhere. Don't know how familiar you are with Maxton kits, but they've changed the design and it looks absolutely mint.
Many of the OG subscribers on here will actually realise we've changed our setting. Now we're actually in my own garage. We've lived here since March and I haven't actually shown you guys the house yet. I'm talking to you like this because I'm hoping I distracted you from that bit of wood hitting the splitter. But here we are using some double-sided sticky tape. Now we're going to put this along the edge, like I said, so we can stick it in place to start with, and then it's on there firmly when we come to screw it in. Quinn has come back to do quality control and he's making sure that we do this absolutely A1, even though he does decide to get in the way, and then later on he does decide to run off. Besides showing off my receding hairline, you can see us here using the 6mm drill bit to drill a hole straight through the splitter into the bottom of the bumper. Now, as I put the bolt in, my idea was to put a nut on the back, which is why I took the under tray off, but we weren't able to achieve that because where I'd actually drilled it in, it was into some thick part of plastic underneath the bumper, and we couldn't actually get a nut on the back of the bolt. We move on.
And just like that, the Maxton front lip is on the Tiguan. I think it makes a subtle but dramatic change to the front of this car. I really dig the way it looks. I do still need to put the under trays on, but we can tackle that later. 10 out of 10, recommend Maxton Design to anyone. So head over to their website and grab yourself some awesome products. We do also have their spoiler on the back of this, which is another OEM plus nice addition to the car. I will say as well, I prefer this branding over this one. It looks so much more professional. And that's the splitter on the front of the Tiguan. It's given that extra edge over all the other Tiguans you see on the road. It's got an OEM Plus and slightly more aggressive look. Really pleased with it. Now, I may have given it away, you may be able to see them already, but the next little mod is some gel short plates. Now these come from UMR plates. I'll put their tag on the screen. These guys are working with us, they've supplied the plates, so you can benefit out of this and grab 15% off with our code Oldub at their checkout. We need to get the plates on the car, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Using a heat gun, I'm just going to try and warm up the sticky pads behind the plate, hoping to leave less mess and residue when the plate actually came off.
So, plates off, may have stumbled into a, I'd say small problem, but it's actually quite a big problem. This isn't going to work. So some idiot previously has drilled into the number plates, which means that if we stick this on, it is going to be visible, and that ain't going to look very good.
Going by the fact that I can't smooth and repaint this tailgate in my garage, we're going to have to pass this problem on for another day. So I'm just going to put the plate back on for the time being, turn this puppy around and focus on positive vibes for the front. Now the heat gun is going to come back out again because we're going to heat up the little plastic clips that hold this plinth on. I don't really want to run the plinth, although I will be exposing a couple of holes from where the previous clips were. That didn't work, so I went belt and braces and just pulled it clean off. There were some really light marks from that plinth, so just to try and smarten it up, I've broken out the Revitalised 1 and Revitalised orange pad on my Auto Finesse MPX to try and tidy that up before sticking the new plates on. It's really important to remember that you can save 20% on Auto Finesse with my code Oldub20 at the checkout. You can thank me later. And just like that, the new plate is going on, and I think she looks sweet as a nut. Check this out. French kiss. Thanks, UMR plates. They're sick.
That is all we have got time for, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up button, smash the subscribe button down below. Check out other videos on the channel. Check out some of our friends, Auto Finesse, Surrey Auto Works, Drop Works, Lowdown Transport, it's just to name a few. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace out.